Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Here's a question a lot of Ram owners run into sooner or later. Why is my coolant level slowly dropping even though I don't see any leaks? At first glance, it can be confusing. You check the coolant reservoir and it keeps getting lower, but there's no puddle under the truck. One possibility is a very small external leak that's actually evaporating before it even hits the ground. Coolant can drip onto hot engine components like the block or exhaust and burn off quickly, which makes this leak hard to see. Another thing to look at is the water pump, radiator seams, and hose connections. Sometimes those develop tiny leaks that only show up when the system is hot and under pressure. Now there's also the possibility of internal coolant loss, which is more serious. Signs of that can include white smoke from the exhaust, coolant smell from the tailpipe, overheating, or milky looking oil on the dipstick. Low coolant can also affect heater performance. If your heater suddenly starts blowing cooler air, especially at idle, it can be a sign of the coolant level is getting too low for the heater core to circulate properly. The big question is when this becomes urgent. If the coolant level is dropping quickly, the engine is overheating, or you're seeing warning lights, that's something you want checked immediately to avoid engine damage. But if it's dropping slowly, the best step is usually a cooling system pressure test, which can reveal small leaks that are otherwise impossible to see. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629.